This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Choose a clear study plan and commit to it. Pick subjects, set daily goals, and schedule blocks in a calendar. Use 25-minute focused study sessions with 5-minute breaks and repeat 4 cycles, then take a longer break. Prioritize 3 tasks each day: urgent, important, and practice, and start with the hardest topic first. Reserve 24 to 48 hours after initial study for spaced review, and limit material per session to 1 to 2 chapters, or 30 to 60 minutes. Apply active learning. First pass is a quick overview to map concepts. Second pass is active recall using notes and flashcards. Third pass is exam simulation with timed questions. Do 3 passes: overview, active recall, and exam simulation, spacing them across days. Create flashcards and attempt 30 practice questions per topic, then check answers and revisit weak points. Aim for 80% accuracy before the final review, and convert mistakes into targeted micro-sessions of 10. Prepare practicalities and calm nerves. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep, eat a balanced breakfast, and do light movement or breathing for 10 minutes. Do a light 1 to 2 hour review the night before focusing on problem types and key formulas rather than new topics. On the morning, arrive 30 minutes early with admit card, ID, 2 pens, and a water bottle. Use the first 10 minutes in the exam to read instructions and plan time. By marking questions, you will attempt first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.